also known for its vital role as a nesting site for sea turtles. These gentle creatures have been coming ashore for millennia to lay their eggs in the soft sands, making the beach a key destination for marine life enthusiasts. Witnessing a turtle nesting or watching baby turtles embark on their first journey to the sea is a magical experience. Connecting visitors to the island's natural rhythms and the delicate balance of nature. With its natural beauty, serene atmosphere, and conservation efforts to protect these turtles, Praia Grande embodies the best of SAO TOMÉ's coastal charm and offers a tranquil escape for those seeking to unwind or immerse themselves in the wonders of marine life.